Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of quirky travel gadgets, those unique and functional finds that you never knew you needed. Get ready to be amazed by the innovative solutions that can make your journeys more enjoyable and hassle-free. In this video, we'll be showcasing a range of unconventional yet useful travel gadgets that are sure to pique your interest. From compact multifunctional tools to clever space-saving devices, we've got it all covered. But it's not just about practicality. These gadgets also bring a fun and playful element to your travel experience. Imagine the convenience of a portable espresso maker or the joy of capturing stunning aerial shots with a pocket-sized drone. So, sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey through the world of quirky travel gadgets. Are you tired of uncomfortable flights or long road trips? Say goodbye to travel woes with these compact gadgets that bring comfort to a whole new level. We're talking about inflatable neck pillows, compact footrests, and other ingenious items that are designed to make your journey a breeze. Picture this: a cozy neck pillow that can be easily inflated and deflated, providing much-needed support for your head and neck during those long hours of travel. Or how about a compact footrest that allows you to stretch out and relax, even in the tightest of spaces? Not only are these gadgets easy to pack and use, but they also have a significant impact on your well-being while on the go. By improving sleep quality and reducing discomfort, they ensure that you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. So why compromise on comfort when you can travel in style with these compact comforts? Tech-savvy solutions, calling all tech-savvy travelers. Get ready to be blown away by the latest innovative gadgets that are revolutionizing the way we travel. From portable Wi-Fi hotspots to multifunctional travel adapters, these tech-savvy solutions are here to simplify connectivity and enhance your journey. Imagine never having to worry about finding a reliable internet connection again, thanks to a portable Wi-Fi hotspot that keeps you connected wherever you go. Or how about a travel adapter that not only charges your devices, but also converts voltage and plugs for use in multiple countries? But it's not just about convenience. These gadgets also prioritize your safety and security on the road. Smart luggage locks and GPS trackers offer peace of mind, ensuring that your belongings are always protected. By streamlining travel logistics and offering cutting-edge features, these gadgets are a game changer for tech-savvy travelers looking to elevate their travel experience to the next level. Quirky culinary creations. Are you a foodie on the go? Prepare to be delighted by these unique gadgets that will take your dining experiences while traveling to a whole new level. From portable espresso makers to collapsible silicone food containers, we've got the tools to make your culinary adventures unforgettable. Imagine sipping on a freshly brewed espresso in the heart of a bustling city, or enjoying a homemade meal in the great outdoors with the help of collapsible food containers that save space in your luggage. These gadgets not only add convenience to your dining experience, but also bring a touch of fun and creativity to your meals on the road. But that's not all. These gadgets cater to specific dietary needs and preferences, ensuring that every traveler can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals wherever they go. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur, a health-conscious eater, or an adventurous foodie, these quirky culinary creations are sure to elevate your travel dining experiences in the most delightful ways. Adventure Essentials. Gear up for your next expedition with these essential gadgets that are designed to enhance your outdoor travel experience. From solar-powered chargers to compact waterproof speakers, we've got you covered with the tools you need to stay connected and entertained on the go. Picture yourself hiking through rugged terrain or camping under the stars, all while keeping your devices charged with a solar-powered charger. And when it's time to unwind, enjoy your favorite tunes with a compact waterproof speaker that can withstand the elements. But it's not just about entertainment. These gadgets also prioritize your safety and convenience during adventurous activities. Portable water purifiers ensure access to clean drinking water, while emergency whistles provide a lifeline in case of unforeseen situations. By equipping yourself with these adventure essentials, you can embark on your outdoor escapades with confidence, knowing that you have the necessary tools to ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. As we wrap up our journey through the world of quirky travel gadgets, let's recap the key highlights that have made this experience truly unforgettable. From compact comforts to tech-savvy solutions and quirky culinary creations to adventure essentials, we've explored a range of innovative gadgets that are essential for enhancing your travel experiences in unexpected ways. These gadgets not only add convenience and fun to your journeys, but also prioritize your comfort, safety, and well-being while on the road. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a newbie explorer, incorporating these gadgets into your travel arsenal can truly elevate your adventures and make every trip a memorable one. We hope you've enjoyed discovering these unique finds and are inspired to incorporate them into your future travels. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. And remember to explore more unique content on our channel for further travel inspiration. Happy travels!